My wife and I had an amazing time at Grandma's cooking school. Our instructor Levine was very funny and very informative and made us feel at home. The instructions were clear and we all made delicious meals that were probably our favorite thing we ate on the trip. We ate hot and sour soup, red curry, pad thai and the mango sticky rice. We got to see the local market, learn about the ingredients we would use, see them in the beautiful garden on the grounds of the beautiful cooking school, and then alternate between cooking a meal and eating. This was immediately one of our trip highlights and we will recommend to anyone, with a specific shout out to Levin. Great experience at Grandma's cooking school in Chiang Mai. Our teacher, San, was excellent, very knowledgeable, well organized, and managed the class smoothly even though the start was delayed. The place was beautiful and the food tasted amazing. I feel like I know the cuisine much better and would happily do it again to learn new recipes. The only downside was transportation. Pickup was delayed by about an hour, and drop-off took much longer due to traffic and multiple stops. More than I had hoped for. We were picked up on a nice van and taken to the market where our guide, Rachel, walked us through the various seasonings and noodles and ingredients. She is extremely knowledgeable and very friendly. Then on to the school where we were shown the fresh herbs we would be using. The instructions were easy to follow and we got to eat each course as we prepared it. It was truly amazing. Highly recommend. A highlight of our Chiang Mai experience. I had cooking class years ago, but when I arrived Grandma's, the size and scale of the place amazed me. So big, clean, eatable. In general very fun and easy to follow. I went with my 7-year-old dad and 8-year-old kid, still managed to cook the dishes in ease, and we all went home with a full heart and belly. Last but not least, Jimmy, you were a star who gave 200% to the class. It's a beautiful school, with lovely open-plan classrooms. It has a large garden, a farm, and a vegetable patch. At the same time, several groups are taking Thai cooking classes in each classroom, and everything is wonderful. We absolutely wanted to take a cooking class while in Thailand, and I'm so glad it ended up being in Chiang Mai at Grandma's cooking school. So much fun. They picked us up at our hotel and took us home afterwards. The group we were with, we all had individual cooking areas. We created our own menus. We walked through the garden and learned about everything. Even got to have fresh eggs from the chickens who were laying them. It was just amazing experience and we loved our chef hostess who was Tay. Best activity I did in Thailand. Grandma's cooking school goes above and beyond to get confidently you hands-on with cooking delicious food, and I really appreciated the market and farm tour too. The highlight of our tour was our guide, however. Garnet was the most encouraging, informative and fun teacher who made our experience very special. Incredible experience. Highly recommended. Garnet could not have been a sweeter, kinder or more helpful instructor/host. We made 3 truly delicious Thai dishes with a mango sticky rice for dessert. Come hungry. All recipes given at the end. They thought of everything. Loved it.